Everyone keeps saying FL Studio is confusing or only for beginners, but no one actually explains how it really works. Let's fix that in the next 2 minutes. You don't need to memorize every menu or shortcut. You just need to understand how FL Studio is structured. Because once you get that, FL stops feeling messy and starts making sense. Step 1. What FL Studio actually is. FL Studio is not one workspace. It's a system made up of separate tools that all do different jobs. The channel rack is where sound and instruments live. The playlist is where you arrange ideas into a song. The mixer is where you control volume, effects, and space. Nothing in FL happens in one place. Sound starts in the channel rack, gets arranged in the playlist, and gets processed in the mixer. Once you understand that flow, everything clicks. Step 2. Why people get confused. Most beginners think the playlist is the beat, but the playlist only holds the patterns and audio, not the sound themselves. Patterns come from the channel rack, audio comes from the recordings or samples, and both are controlled by the mixer. So when something sounds wrong, the problem usually isn't the playlist. It's either the sound source or the mixer channel it's routed to. Step 3. Patterns are the real secret. FL Studio is pattern based. That means you don't write full songs immediately. You write small ideas and reuse them. One pattern can be drums, another can be bass, another can be melody. You repeat, move, and change these patterns in the playlist to build a full song. That's why FL Studio is fast. You're not starting from scratch every time. Step 4. How the mixer actually works. Every sound in FL needs to be routed to a mixer track. If it's not routed, you can't properly control it. The mixer is where mixing really happens. EQ, compression, reverb, delay, volume, stereo width, all of it lives here. If your beat sounds messy, it's not because FL is bad, it's because the mixer isn't organized. Step 5. The real secret to FL Studio. The real secret is intention. You don't click things randomly. You choose a sound, give it a purpose, route it properly, and build from there. FL Studio isn't complicated, it's modular. Once you stop treating it like one screen and start using it as a system, your workflow gets faster, your beats get cleaner, and everything feels under control. Subscribe for more videos like this.